Shannon, you can put us on the record.
Okay.
Bless you.
So, good morning. This is Baker versus Keelhorn. Counsel, state your appearances, please.
Hello?
State your appearances, please.
I can't hear you, Your Honor.
Mr. Hertzhoff, you can hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, it's your settings. Check your settings. I need to have a flash card up here.
Can you guys hear me? I can't hear anyone.
I can hear you.
Check. Check your audio settings. Well, I need you. I don't have audio. I can't hear the judge. I'm going to come out and come back in, go out and come back in. I can't hear the judge. They can hear me, but I can't hear them.
I can hear you, Loretta. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Now she can't hear anybody.
Okay.
She's got her speakers turned off or turned down.
All right,
Hopefully
I'm going to
they'll
come out and
figure
come
it
back
out.
in and see if that, I've never had
So
that problem
in
before.
the meantime, I'm going to call PNC Bank versus Backhouse.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Herzoff on behalf of PNC Bank.
Did you get that, Shannon? Okay, let's see. You are here on a motion for entry of a default judgment.
That's correct.
There's been no opposition filed, and
Correct.
no one has appeared this morning to oppose your motion. I'm going to grant it. Did you submit a proposed order?
We did, Your
judgment
Honor.
matter?
It was attached as Exhibit 5 to the motion.
Okay. I have that. I will enter that, and we'll make sure a copy gets sent to you today.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a great week.
So Pete, you too. Peter, if you could, well, wait a minute. Yeah, this is just a judge's copy anyway. I can use this. Let's see, is that part of the judgment? I think it might be. Let me make sure. Yes, Exhibit A is a part of the judgment. So this is what I'm going to enter. You can throw the rest of this away and then give it to Patty so that she can send him a copy. And if you could stamp my name and the date on the front page. And on the last page, the date.
Okay.
There you go. All right. You're all set, Mr. Hertzhoff. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great weekend.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Judge, on behalf of the Wisconsin Badgers, this is me waving the white flag. I watched most of the first half and part of the second half of the Michigan-Iowa game last night. And when I left the Michigan-Iowa game, Iowa was hanging in there in the
Okay.
second half. And then I was shocked when I looked at the score. I had to go put my kids to bed. And when I looked at the score later, I found that you guys had thumped them by 18.
Yeah, it was a pretty convincing victory. Iowa pulled Garza out for the last 4 or 5 minutes, just sat him down. They ran up the white flag.
Yeah.
So that was part of the reason they were able to run the score up a little bit.
And Michigan
What?
kept their starters in too. They had 3 of their starters in at the end of the game.
Yeah. Did you just log out and log in? That solve your issue?
Yes. So I don't know exactly what it was, but
All right. I need to get some little cards made up that are a little better to read than my scrawls, but it's
it worked.
occasionally it's just simply a matter of, if you look in your Zoom window down in the lower left-hand corner, and if you click on the up arrow where it says audio settings.
Oh, right by the
and then
mic?
Yes.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then click on audio settings. That'll tell us, obviously your speakers were working because you could hear us.
Well,
But if you open that up, you can see you've got your input level and your output level. And if that's not working or muted, that's usually the problem.
Okay.
All right. So we are here on the matter of Baker versus Keelhorn. And if counsel, you could please state your appearances.
Good morning, John Turk for the plaintiff.
Loretta Subi for the defendants.
Spell that, please.
SUBHI.
Thank you.
So we're just here for entry of an order, correct?
Yes, Your
Yeah.
Honor. My motion was heard back in December, and even though plaintiff's counsel said that he was going to draft the order, he never did. And now we're at the end of February, and I need the order entered so I can, file a motion for reconsideration and do the things I need to do. So I drafted a motion because it's too late to pursuant to the court rules to submit it under any other method. So plaintiff's counsel sent me an email saying he doesn't object to the order. So
I will enter it.
I don't, Judge, and I apologize to you and Ms. Subi. I should have entered it. I thought I had, but just didn't remember it. And then when I picked up Loretta's motion, I realized I hadn't, and that's on me, and I apologize. I don't have any objection to the entry of the order that she submitted.
All right, I'm signing it now. I'll make sure that copies get sent to both of you.
thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, and go blue.
Oh,
Oh, green.
half of my office would echo that sentiment.